Freeze! I'm in the building, my nigga. I just domed the blunt, my nigga. I'm ready to get it cracking. And you finna feel me, cause I do this shit, or you gonna kill me. If I didn't do this shit, cause I got so much talent that I've been rappers. Shit, having these flows all sold up like this ain't nothing, just some poet. I pulled up, like, hold up, bitch. Get some more cups. If you don't wanna drink, then shut the fuck up. I don't wanna hear shit talking back to a local. Get your ass smacked or get your bitch smoked. Like, I don't give a fuck. Quick to silence that hoe. Like, silence this, cancel that bitch like a show. No, I'm playing with the music cause I do it and it's real nice. When I say fluid, I spit it, I drink this liquor and just sitting here sipping and I just think after I split and roll up another twist, I mean another bitch and leave her sitting on the strip, real spit, picked her up at like 6. Said I'll be there at 4:30, she was still sitting there, She's a patient bitch, the type that'll have me waiting and shit. So I said, cool, I'll wait till I fuck with another bitch and then I show up late. I'm stupid when I spit flows. I'm stupid, I'm so hot cold. And you're not bold. You're a type to beat around the bush to get it though. Just to get a hold me, I let it go, let it flow like me. Freeze, I let it blow. Go ahead, and she used her nose, and she sniffed and took it to the head, and now she flow. What I quote, get money, all money in and no money out. I mean, all money in and no money out. RSC is tattered on my chest, nigga, and I speak the best when I spit these shit, nigga, and it's coming from my flesh and my spirit, nigga. How I do it, y'all, I'ma show you it's fluid and I'm moving. It's the movement. Get money. My niggas get dummy. 651st, cash gang money. Y'all niggas all stupid. Motherfuckers always getting shot by Cupid. I'm dumping back. Cupid taking this. So he's gangster. Gangster Cupid's in this bitch. So we gangster love with a bitch. She give a hug. She give me chips. Then she leave and I dip. And I rolls in the whip. And the rose is the whip. My flows when I spit is so cold when I switch the flow and I hit every spot that bitch feel when I'm picture tit and I was not dreaming. I said I bustin' up, baby, this is champagne, it's not semen. I'm not believing anything she's saying, every word she's breathing is a lie to me. I don't care if she said hi to me. I said, bitch, stop lying to me. But I was chopped, stupid, and I hopped off the dock. Took a little swim, dived in the jacuzzi. Said, baby, come over here, grab the condom, do me. It's like a movie. How I had her shaking, doing off the toolie. Or riding in the dually. She's a hippie, she calls the doobies. So she rolls a doobie. I'm feeling on her boobies. Sitting back, had to call Lil Booby. Like I'm finna slide through. Little cuz I just bought a basketball and Jordan signed it on. No, I'm playing, I'm stupid. I be thinking of anything that I say and get to it. Maybe flick a pic, HD on my shit. My camera phone click on a bitch with her tits. Shaking, video record and send it to my crips. Spit dripping off my lip, cause I spit so raw that this rawness can't fit. And a bitch, I wish I would hit a bitch raw. No, I'll go soft before I let a bitch ball up and try to fill on my balls. Nah, bitch, cause that shit's gonna cost. I need chips. I need shoes, socks, and all. I need the whip too. Bitch, that's when I'll come through and fuck you. I'm just playing, man. I'll be just spitting shit. I'm just using my imagination, just spitting on that one. Straight bullshit, but that shit's cool. I laugh sometimes. I'm out of here, though. I might make another video, I might not. Stay posted. Neighborhood.